Hello friends, today we will start the first chapter of our MCV book, 3 Questions. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. So there is a thought which came into the mind of a king that if he know the 3 things of life, he will never get fail in his life. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Number 1, when we should start any work. Right time, what is? Number 2, which people should he listen to? It means who is saying what and what is the important person whom he listen to, he should know. And the third one, what is the most important thing for him to do? It means which work is the most important for him. If he knows these 3 questions, then he will never get failed in his entire life. The king therefore sent messenger throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. So for finding these answers, he sent his messenger throughout the empire, throughout his kingdom, and he promised that whosoever will answer these 3 questions, he will give him a very good amount of money. So this was his promise. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his question differently. So for answering these 3 questions, many wise men came to his empire, to his kingdom, but what was the defect, or what you can say, what was the drawback? That everyone answer is different from the other one. In reply to the first question, some said king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. So someone is saying the right time, how he can decide? He can make a timetable for himself, he can prepare a timetable and he should follow that timetable very strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. It means for doing something on a proper time, he should have a proper timetable. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Yes, this is also a right thing. We can't decide anything in advance that tomorrow this will happen to me and I can make this timetable. So it is impossible. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasure. So someone is saying that king should avoid everything, avoid foolish pleasure, and he should observe everything. And always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. It means he should always do that work only which is very important at that time. What is the demand of situation? Yet others said that king needed counsel of wise men who would help him at the proper time. Others were saying that king should have a counsel. It means member of a wise man, and they should always guide king that what work he should do at what time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others, the right time for every action. So what was the reason why he should have council of members? Because only one man cannot decide everything. There should be different minds for different action. But then others said that there was something which could be urgent. But other was saying, okay, but there are something which should be urgently solved. Suppose if the enemy is attacked on his empire, that time he will not wait for the decision of his council member. That time he should act very smartly and very quickly. These things could not wait for the decision, as I explained you, that he will decide, he will make a meeting, then they will give a decision. He can't wait for so long. In order to decide the right time for doing something like necessary to do in future, and only magician could do that. So one was saying that only magicians are having that power, that they can see the future, they can solve the issues So only you can ask from magician. The king therefore would have go to magician. It means now the king should get this answer from magician. In their answer to the second question, some said that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. So one was saying in reply to the second question of the second answer, that the most important people whom he listened to is the counselor. For king, of course, the counselors are the most important. Others said no, priests are very important. Few others chose that doctors are very important, and yet others said that soldiers were the most necessary people. To the third question now, this is the time for third question. Some said science. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting. It means which is the important thing for him. Some were saying science, some were saying no, fighting is important. And yet other religious worship, and other were saying no, for king religious worship is very important. As the answer to his questions were so different, we can now find out that everyone is giving his own opinion. The king was not satisfied and gave no reward to anyone. He was not satisfied. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So what the king decided, that he will take advice of a hermit. Hermit, it means a saint who was living in the outskirts of the city, and people used to call him a very wise man. He was thinking that he will take advice of him. The hermit lived in a wood. Wood is here forest. He was living in a forest which he never left, and he was living there for a long time. He saw no one but simple people, so the king put ordinary clothes. Now there was a condition to meet a hermit, that hermit used to meet only with the simple people. So king decided that he will put a simple ordinary people clothes, he will not visit him like a king. Before he reached the hermit, hermit heard king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. What he did, he left the horse also in midway, and he, without bodyguard, he was walking towards the hermit's place. As the king came near the hermit hut, he saw hermit digging the ground in front of his. So when he came near to the hermit house, the hut, what he saw, that hermit was digging the ground.